So I completed phase 1 of the decking project, which is the first half, roughly 7 meters by a width of around about 5.5 meters. It ended up along there. I've cleared all the earth away from the side. That's gone under the decking. So the next phase is to do this side elevation. Pergola posts are in, 6 of those at 1 meter intervals, and I ended up not putting them in the ground. They're sitting on the pad stones and bolted to the framework of the decking, so they're out of the ground. Slight change of plan, and the oak door's been stained and the trim is all finished around there. So a little bit of finishing off to do on the edges, just some like retaining timber frame to stop any earth falling onto the decking where the bank goes up. And then the next stage is to dig the side posts out. I've already put some pretty hefty holes in along the edge. This used to be quite a steep bank along here, and this is all made up ground. So behind that hedge is a drop of around about 2 meters going down. So the plan is to get a really good foundation. Dug down to the original base. It's about 1500 deep there, and then I'm going to drive 2 steel rods in each of these holes, 25mm steel rods, around about 1 meter further down into the ground, sticking up about 500mm, and then they'll sit in the concrete foundation so that it doesn't sink. That just gives it a bit more support, and then the rest of the dig will just be the standard posts like I did on the last section. And then once they're in, batten along the side of the house and then just tie it all in to the existing. Once the decking's finished, then I can get on with building the summer house.